Alright guys, so I'm here. I'm just about getting ready to cross a railroad track. And the thing about railroad tracks is each one of them is different. This one is a very new railroad track, so it's kind of smooth, but there are some that, can pull the wheel one way or the other, to the left or to the right. But this one here, you'll hear a thumping sound when I cross it, and it just feels a little different than riding on a road. So yeah, so they put this railroad track through Cohasset, Hingham, all the way down to Plymouth. And people were really upset about it, so they have railroad track, a train coming through their backyard and their front yard. Imagine owning these homes for years, and then all of a sudden you're going to have a train running through your backyard or your front yard. I would say that it's going to devalue their property as well, because who's going to want a train running through their backyard or their front yard? I know I wouldn't want that. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to cross the railroad track, and you're going to hear the sound as the wheels of the Ninja 636 go over the track. Alright, so here we go. I've got a motorcycle coming. How you doing? I'm good, thank you. Planet Hollywood. That was nice of him, huh? He's a Holly. That was very nice of him to do that. Alright, so here we go. Here it is. Okay, so did you hear that? It's kind of a thumping sound. The wheels pretty much go smooth over it, but you can feel that you're on a different surface. So yeah, so you really should look both ways, make sure the train isn't coming. The train goes pretty slow through here, because they're letting passengers off right here and picking them up, I guess. So that was pretty nice though of the Holly driver to stop and just check and see if I was okay. I've got a tractor coming up now on my left. John Deere has a TPW. Alright, so that's about it today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.